University, Muscat. So, welcome, sir. Welcome, and thank you for accepting our invitations and kindly consented to deliver the lecture.
Thank you, sir.
So, it's a really interesting topic and opportunities for computer engineers in fourth industrial revolution. So, I believe this lecture will be very useful for all of us because without computer, nothing moves. Like electricity is essential for everything. Similar way now, computers without computers now we cannot work. So it's part and partial. And to have the any automation, yes, computer is the major part and it plays a major role. So I believe this lecture will throw some light on in what and effective way the computers can be used for automation and other things. So with this, once again, welcome you all for this online program. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Dr. Kumaresan. I request our Ravi Maran, our immediate past chairman of Computer Dept Trichy chapter, as well as the principal of MM College of Engineering, to introduce the speaker to the audience, today's chief guest to the audience. Please, sir. Now over to Ravi Maran. Ravi Maran, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good evening to all. Respected office bearer of Computer Society of India, Tiruchirappalli chapter, and Institution of Engineers. My warm welcome to you all. We are very much honored to have an eminent personality and experienced academicians in India and abroad. Technical and business consultant, Tamil poem writer, Dr. Rajakannu Amuthakkannan. My hearty welcome to you, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Ravi Maran. Thank you very much.
So it's my duty to introduce our guest speaker of Dr. Rajakannu Amuthakkannan, who is going to be present a topic today. I think as Sir told, it's a vibrant topic as of now. It is a need of the hour. So thanks for accepting our invitation immediately. Dr. Rajakannu Amuthakkannan is currently working as Associate Professor in National University of Science and Technology, Muscat, Sultanate of Oman. He obtained his PhD degree in Mechanical Engineering from Anna University, Chennai, India in 2008, and his master's degree in Mechatronics from Madras Institute of Technology, Chennai in 2001. He also has obtained a management degree MBA, specialized in systems from Madurai Kamaraj University, Madurai in the year 2002. Following his academic qualification, he holds totally 23 years of experience, inclusive of 2 years of work experience in industry as a quality control engineer. After his service in industry, he moved to academics where he holds 21 years of work experience. He worked more than 12 years in India in academic field at Tyagaraja College of Engineering, Madurai, and Coimbatore Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. He holds his specialization in mechatronics, real-time systems, solar system, software quality, software reliability, mechatronic system design, and its reliability, and virtual instrumentation. As a technology transfer, he has obtained Engg Scientist Award for the year 2008-2009 from Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology, India. He also obtained the prestigious IEI Engg Engineer Award for the year 2009-2010 from Institution of Engineers, India. Working as an academician, Dr. Rajakannu Amuthakkannan has contributed widely both to industry and academics. His contribution includes 70 plus publications in national journal, international journals, and conference level. He has written a book titled Mechatronics. He had organized 2 conferences. One conference was collaboration with the University of Massachusetts, USA, and InterScience publications, and conducted many workshops, symposiums, and seminars. He is the editor for 6 conference proceedings, and he has done various funded projects of total worth of $1,43,000 sponsored by Industrial Innovation Center, Muscat, Oman, AICT, and other agents. He is the University Council member at National University and served as Academic Council member, State Strategic Plan Council member, and Board of Study member in various colleges. Also, he has delivered many guest lectures in the modern concepts of mechatronic system design. Sorry. So with this short notes, I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Rajakannu Amuthakkannan to Computer Society of India Tiruchirappalli chapter, as well as IE Tiruchirappalli chapter. So now the floor is open for Dr. Rajakannu Amuthakkannan. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Ravi Maran.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you for your wonderful introduction about me. And good evening to all.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good
sir.
evening.
It is my duty to deliver a guest lecture in Institution of Engineer because I received a Young Engineer Award from Institute of Engineers in 2008-9 all over India. Okay, so before I'm going to start my talk, my sincere thanks to Dr. N. Kumaresan, Chairman of IEI Tiruchirappalli Local Center, and Dr. N. Sivakumaran, Joint Secretary, IEI Trichy Chapter, and Dr. Kevin, Honorable Joint Secretary, IEI India Trichy Chapter, and also my sincere thanks to Engineer Anand, Honorary Secretary of Trichy Local Chapter. Thank you very much for organizing this wonderful seminar. And in this auspicious day, I believe that you are all in the mood of Diwali purchase and also in festival mood. So in this festival mood, I'm going to feed some information related to this fourth industrial revolution and what are the opportunities for computer engineers. I don't know how many of you will enjoy in this Diwali mood, but I believe that I will make you very interactive session. And in between that, if you want to ask any question, you can ask. Maybe you may ask, Doctor, you completed mechanical engineering and mechatronics, and then you are going to talk about computer engineering in fourth industrial revolution, and maybe. So definitely this question will arise if you have good background of computer engineers. Yes. The world is going towards computer engineering. What should I do? We have to move along with society, along with technology, and this is called technology transfer. If I believe only textile engineer, then how one mechanical engineer will born? If I believe one chemical engineer, how one electrical engineer will born? If I believe only electrical engineer, how one computer engineer will born? You have to understand where the world is going. If you are going against to where world is going, so definitely you are out of the world. Sir, I will apply only fluid mechanics. I will apply only strength of materials. This is enough for my life. If you think like that, in this digital world, definitely will be out of the world. So you cannot cope up the new technologies, and not only that, you cannot talk with the young people. This is not only for the young people. What I am going to talk today, this is not only for the young people and also for all of the engineers. See, engineer till their last breath, they have to learn each and every day some new technologies. If you are not learning, this is the reason I told already, you will be out of the world. Okay. So in this, I'm going for my core topic. Doctor, I'm asking what are the opportunities for computer engineers? You are showing some Doraemon pictures. I don't know, maybe the people who have crossed 40 or 45, like me, maybe you don't know this Doraemon character. Or if you are sitting with your granddaughter or grandchildren, definitely you will come to know about this Doraemon. But for young people, definitely you know very well this Doraemon cartoon. I think if you see Doraemon cartoon, maybe so many devices the Doraemon will introduce. There is a Nobita, this is the character. He is the hero of in this cartoon. And of course, Doraemon is a cat robot. This cat robot will provide lot of gadgets to this Nobita. His friends, you see here, his friends, they will fly, they will take one time machine, they will go back, they will take another time machine, they will go 2050, and they have some smart pencil, they have some smart clothes, they have so many smart technologies they will use. Doctor, you are showing this and then is it like cartoon? You know, believe it or not, these are all going to get true. And not only that, already so many gadgets has come to reality. You see, for the people who have crossed 40, I have shown some of the comics characters. You see here, the steel claw. I think in Tamil, the people who have crossed 40 plus people, definitely you might have crossed this Irumbu Kai Mayavi. I think I have shown one Tamil comics photograph also. I think in Lion Comics, if you are a fan of Lion Comics, you might have crossed this Archie. So whatever Archie did, the same thing it came in Endiran. See, the people who loved the Archie comics, definitely you will think that the Rajinikanth acted Endiran, you know, that Endiran. So most of the scenes, it will reflect from that Archie comics. Okay, even you might have seen one Amman scene, some Amman temple scene. Suddenly the, what is called, I don't know, Rajini character is city, as I think city character. So he will change the mode, and magnetic mode, if he is changing, then immediately the knife and this, that, all those things, it will come, and then it will, so this kind of scene, it will be there in the Archie comics. It published in 1960s. You see, in the Lion comics, it was ₹2. See, will you get one comics book for ₹2? Not possible. Actually, this came in, I think, in 80s or in beginning of 80s, I think, or in end of 70s or beginning of 80s, this Archie character came. And James Bond movie, you might have seen so many guns and a lot of facilities in his car and many things you might have crossed. So all are becoming true in this digital world. Whatever the James Bond used in 1970s and 60s, all those things, it is becoming true. And not only that, you are going to realize lot and lot in fourth industrial revolution. One example I'm telling. You can take driverless car. This kind of driverless car, it was there in James Bond comics, but now lot of research work is going on. And not only that, already there is lot implemented in modern cars. Even if you take actually last couple of months back, I realized in Lexus car. And even if you put steering, then after that, if you leave the steering, then automatically it will go. And according to the road sense, there are some sensors. A small adjustment the steering will do. And these are all it is possible. And not only that, even if you are going to apply brake, before applying the brake, if there is a vehicle or some obstacles is there in the front of the car, automatically it will apply the car, it will stop. So these are all now it is possible. You enjoyed in James Bond movies, you enjoyed in Spider comics, you enjoyed in Steel Claw comics, so many things now it has become true. What is the reason? It's all because of Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is going to give lot and lot. Till now, we haven't realized all of the technologies, what the research work is going on. Still, we haven't realized. If you are going to realize what are the research going on in Industry 4.0, you will wonder, your life will become highly sophisticated. By the time, what kind of engineers will dominate in this world? This is what today's topic. We'll see. You see here the Doraemon, some extension, you see cloth changing camera. The first picture, it is showing cloth changing camera. First of all, you have to put the design of the cloth that you want, then it will give you that dress up. You see, this is, you see the down, and it is possible, you know, whatever you want, you can do using 3D printing fashion. Already some people in Paris, they did a 3D printing fashion show. So you can print whatever the dress you want, you can design using computer, then after that you can print, so whatever the material you like. So this kind of gadget, it is there in Doraemon, now it has become true. You see here bamboo copter, it makes you fly with any weight. The down is the bamboo copter. This is one of the character in Doraemon. This bamboo copter, now drones are there. See here, Zomato successfully tests its drone technology, moves closer to aerial food delivery. And not only that, you know, drone taxi already in Dubai, they tested, and maybe this one, it will come in future. Who knows, if you want to go from Trichy main guard gate to what is called the central bus stand, then you can use drone taxi. Now you are using what is called yellow color taxi, right? The yellow taxi, the 3-wheel taxi. Maybe in future you will use a drone taxi, and definitely the taxi driver will ask 10 rupees or 50 rupees more than the meter. Okay, so in drone it will come. Okay, time machine. It helps you to take past. Sir, where is the time machine? You may ask the question, but you believe it or not, time machine is also possible. Sir, what you are joking? Is it time machine possible? You know, one incident happened in South Korea, Seoul. You know, tearful, you see, there is a news, tearful reunion between mother and her dead daughter. One South Korean mother lost her daughter some couple of years back. She wanted to see her daughter back. They arranged through virtual reality. And one channel, TV channel, they organized one VR show. And through VR show, she was able to see her daughter for 5 to 10 minutes, and her daughter was playing with her. So these are all happened. One television channel telecasted this. That means what? That means what? It's like a time machine. It's artificial intelligence and virtual reality. Through this, all those things, it's possible. This is Industry 4.0. See, you can go back 2 years before. Then she lost her daughter. Same manner, they designed her daughter. There is no difference between her daughter image and this daughter. And even everything they checked, and after that they designed, then they showed to that mother. So this is also possible. And translation tool, there is a translation tool in Doraemon cartoon. You see, if one eats this, the user will be able to speak and understand other language and can also communicate with animal. Maybe possible, people are telling, I can speak with birds, I can speak with crow, I can speak with lion, I can speak with lion, I don't know. Maybe I think some people, some 10 years or 15 years back, I think in Raj TV or some Sun TV, some show came. And some saint, they used to tell, I can speak with birds. Then the birds are telling this, birds are telling about future. And I don't know, somebody saw that interview or something. Okay. So translation tool, if you are going to eat this in Doraemon Cartoon Network, it will come. If you are going to eat this translation tool, then you can speak in any language. But it is possible, you believe it or not. So there are some devices which will translate your language into another language. In future, see, nowadays you are wearing a mask for what? To protect from COVID-19. You are wearing some mask. Similar to that, yes, maybe in future, who knows, you will wear one mask, and that mask, if you are speaking in Tamil or English, that will translate to another language. If you are going to change the mode, then after that, you can communicate with any of the people. So this is possible. See, nowadays there is a device like a phone or like a remote control, but in future it may come like mask. So you can wear the mask. You are speaking in Tamil means automatically it will translate to English. So you need not to worry about that. Oh, Tamil, mella Tamil in chagum, and the merku moligal puvimisa yomgum, adu idine yadavadu onu sollite irupanga. But definitely you are not going to lose your mother language. So you can speak in your language. Your language definitely it will grow. So it will not go anywhere else. So you can convert from Tamil language to English language, then easily you can communicate. So these are all possible. Already people have tested, and then this is going to come. Okay. There are many like this, doctor's bag and bird cap and space searching machine and computer pencil. This computer pencil, yes, it is possible. See, according to Doraemon, the pencil is smart pencil. When one writes something with it, it will write the correct answer no matter what he writes. Whatever he is writing, it's suppose already you have trained a computer pencil, yes, it is possible automatically it will write. Okay. So there is a space lifeboat and many things are there. Instant robot and many things are there. Before that, I want to introduce, sorry. So there is a phone call. 1 minute. Sorry, I am in meeting. Could you please call later? Sorry. Okay. So you have seen so many gadgets. I believe that you enjoyed it. And many comics character and cartoon character I have shown. Here, Industry 4.0, the digital technology transformation. Industry 1.0. Industry 1.0, it came in 1784. That time, mechanization, steam power, weaving loom, so many things it came. Industry 2.0, it meant for only mass production, assembly line. Of course, that time, electrical energy and electrical engineering got tremendous growth. Then you can say that Industry 2.0 is towards electrification. It came in 1870. See, 1784, 1870, nearly 100 years. And then after that, Industry 3.0, almost 100 years. Almost 100 years. See, 1870, 1969. See, automation, computers, and electronics came. But, you know, Industry 4.0 should come in 2070, right? At least 2065. But it came in 2020 itself. Why? Because of computer growth and because of computer engineers. See, Industry 4.0, it's meant for cyber physical systems, Internet of Things and network and blah, blah, many things they are telling. But I can say this is completely towards digitization. See, in future, many of the gadgets, companies, house, everything, it will be digital one. You see here, by 2020, there is a news, by 2020, European industrial companies will invest 140 billion euro annually in industrial internet application. See, to do industrial internet application, who will get the opportunity? Then very simple answer. Yes, computer engineer will get opportunity. Maybe 20 years back, if you have studied mechanical engineer, converting from mechanical engineer to a computer engineering, it means to learn computer engineering by mechanical engineers is easy. The people went towards computer engineering. Because of that reason, Sundar Pichai is in big position in computer world. See, many people having the mechanical background, now they are the CEO of computer companies. But in future, what will happen? You know, the computer engineers will come towards mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering went to computer engineering, but now in future, computer engineer will move towards mechanical engineering or towards electrical engineering or towards electronics engineering or towards process engineering or towards aerospace engineering or towards automobile engineering. Why I'm telling? Because the main concept in Industry 4.0 is cyber physical system. Cyber system, you know, cyber system is computer engineering. Cyber physical system, yes, some mechanical engineering or aerospace or automobile and many things will come in the physical system. So computer engineer will learn other technologies. After that, they will try to implement many technologies in 1 minute. Hello. Sir, I am in meeting. Could you please call after 1 hour? Yes. Fine. Sorry. These are all problem will come in digital. Okay. In 5 years, more than 80% of companies will have digitized their value chain. So they will try to implement a lot of digital technologies in manufacturing side, in automobile side, in aerospace side. So many places they will do. So there is a statistics in within 5 years, more than 80% of the companies will have digitized their value chain. Value chain not only in the cyber physical system and also in logistics and also in inventory management, in marketing, in many areas, they will implement this digital technology. You see here, Industry 4.0 brings big changes for stock market. Definitely, it will improve the stock market if you are having well planned to implement Industry 4.0. And not only the stock market improvement, even, in the stock market business and in the stock market technology, in that also, it will give lot of challenges. One thing you can say blockchain technology. If you take blockchain technology, the major application, Bitcoin, I think you know the Bitcoin, it is a digital currency. If once digital currency is implemented, definitely this will play something in stock market. See, money value, for example, nowadays, see, maybe because of Joe Biden, today night, the dollar value may increase. If dollar value is increasing and there is a money change in Indian stock market, and if there is a money change and there are a lot of impact in stock market. If you are introducing the Bitcoin like digital currency, and definitely there will be some changes in the stock market. Okay, COVID-19 impact on Industry 4.0. There are a lot of articles and people are speaking about in the post-pandemic world, what will happen and what this Industry 4.0 will move towards. And definitely this kind of online teaching and learning. And because we have realized a lot in this pandemic situation. So online teaching and learning came, online money transfer came, online purchasing came, even through online people are getting marriage, even through online you are celebrating Diwali. So many online, it came because of pandemic and post-pandemic world, and there are a lot of changes. Maybe you will sit in your village, then you will work for, already it is happening, but you know one thing, in Chennai, there will be one mechanical industry, but you can sit near to Tiruchi in one village, and then you can operate the manufacturing industry machine from your village. So this kind of technology also may come. You need not to go to, you need not to move towards city-based life, and then you can sit at your native place and you can do a lot of technologies. These are also possible in Industry 4.0. So these are all how it will come. And then what is the topic, sir? Your topic is opportunities for computer engineers in Industry 4.0. So if you are understanding Industry 4.0, definitely you will come to know what are the importance computer engineer will have in Industry 4.0 generation. See, Industry 4.0 based on the concept of smart factory. I can say before that in 2008, I think Dr. Ravi Maran introduced, when he introduced me, I conducted one international conference. The conference name is International Conference on Digital Factory. Yes, in 2008, so digital factory we conducted, but nowadays people speak about smart. So this is digital factory going towards smart factory. What is smart factory, sir? What is the difference between digital factory and smart factory? You may tell. You may ask this question. Smart factory, where the machines are integrated with man through cyber physical system. In digital means, for example, CNC machine, if you are going, yes, it is a digital machine. But in smart factory, it is machine which is in Bombay. It is possible. Nowadays, see, many merchants, they are keeping their shop's camera, they are monitoring through their phone. How they are monitoring? See, if I'm running a shop in Chennai, I can monitor from here. And not only that, if I'm having a piece of land in Pollachi, then I can start and stop my water pumping system from here. From here means from Muscat, even not from Coimbatore or not from Trichy. Anywhere else in the world you can sit and then you can operate any of the systems. CPS, cyber physical system, or the integration of IT system. Yes, here computer engineer's role is coming. Integration of IT system with mechanical and electronic components connected to online networks that allow the communication between machines in a similar way to social networks. This is called smart. I think you might have seen this one. I don't know how many of you fan of Sivakarthikeyan. So this piece of picture I collected from forthcoming Sivakarthikeyan movie. I think you might have heard Chellamma Chellamma song. In that one girl, you see here, the girl is our heroine, you can say. Okay, I'm telling girl, maybe for somebody it is heroine. Okay. Heroine is keeping one mobile phone. But you see here, the area. She is standing in the seashore. Then I am assuming that she can operate. If there is a boat here, she can operate. She can operate her house gadgets. She can operate her office physical systems. See here, everywhere phones are. Why I'm showing this one? If you are keeping phone, through phone, you can operate a lot of physical systems. If you are operating through phone everything, that means what? You are smart. Like Sivakarthikeyan movie heroine. Okay. You see here, smart home technology is here. And some of the cartoons I have posted here. They say smart TV is actually monitor us. You see the old man is watching TV. You see what this TV is thinking. Based on what they watch, these people are idiots. See, who is telling? The TV is telling that these people are idiots. Artificial intelligence, maybe through artificial intelligence, if you are going to operate, if you don't know how to operate one gadget or one smart technology, definitely that smart technology will shout, you are stupid. It will come. You see there, based on what they watch, these people are idiots. Okay, fine. You see here, another one, thanks to new smart scalpel. We don't have to be here during surgery. Let's go get a bite to eat. See, nurse need not to stay here. And there are machines, and then machines will come and then will operate and then will finish operation. So your duty is you have to keep the patient on bed, and then after that you have to operate a machine, and that machine, even through mobile, you can operate, and this machine will do the surgery. And this is happening because nowadays robotic surgery is possible. And many places, the robotic-based heart surgery has been implemented. So you can do heart surgery using robotics. You see here, in night time, if you are keeping one watch, it's not a smart watch what you are wearing nowadays. It's not an Apple Watch what you are wearing nowadays. And maybe a lot of smart watches are going to come. And language translation, and then it will do lot of work. You see here, in the night, if you are sleeping, some rats or mouse will come, and then they will watch something. Wow, these new smartwatches are so practical. And another one, because maybe this mouse is font of 16K. I think nowadays we are speaking about 4K. Maybe this mouse is font of 16K. Yeah, great resolution. Maybe it's expecting more resolution. Great resolution, it is telling. Yes, these are all possible. You see, there are smartphones and smart cars. So why can't there be smart rooms that clean themselves? Definitely it is possible in future. You wait and see. It will identify, and then if it is a waste, and some robotic arm or something, it will come and then it will pick that clothes or some piece of paper. Definitely it is possible. You see here, smart home, the extension of smart home. What is that? This cartoon will say a lot of things. The smart building celebrate counting its 1 million person. See, someone is walking in a mall, and then suppose this person is 1 millionth person. Someone is coming and then it's giving gift and saying congratulations and showering with color paper, and a lot of things are happening. It's possible because there is a sensor, and definitely the sensor will count, and there are light sensors. If you are crossing, then it will count 1, 2, 3. It is possible, and then why not one robotic arm will come out of the wall, and then it will give some gift, or it will say some congratulations. So these are all possible in smart technologies. Okay, this is some agricultural technologies. You see here, this is, you see, all places network should be. If network is available, it is possible to do a lot of things. The 7 specific keywords that characterize Industry 4.0 are detailed below. Cyber physical system, that's what I concentrated. Then big data. Yes, here computer engineer role is big, and in the big data, the role of computer engineer is very big. This is data science. Yeah, data science, it is going to rule this world. Of course, you have heard about IoT technologies. You are all engineers. Internet of Things. It's already, we have implemented a lot in Internet of Things, in agricultural, in fisheries, in engineering, and manufacturing side, in aerospace, and in all the field, the IoT technologies are dominating. And maybe in future, more development will be there in IoT. And if there is any young engineer who are watching this talk, so you try to pursue your career in IoT technologies. There are a lot of scope in this area. Artificial intelligence, of course, this is integrated in all of the field, and additive manufacturing, this is one of the next generation technology in mechanical engineering, 3D printing and 4D printing, and many things are going to come. In that, computer engineer role is also very, very important. Of course, to manage the data, cloud computing is required, and virtual reality, augmented reality, and these are all another technology. In all of these technologies, computer engineer role is very, very important, and then you people are going to dominate this world. Even I'm not having anything in my mind, because I studied basically mechanical engineering, and then after that software based system I learned, but I don't have any guilty to tell computer engineers are going to dominate. Yes, computer engineer will dominate in this world in the coming 10 to 20 years. I can say even 3 decades they will dominate, because world is going towards this cyber physical system, towards this big data, towards this Internet of Things, towards this artificial intelligence, towards this additive manufacturing, towards cloud computing. Yes, of course, virtual reality also. In virtual reality, don't think about this will be useful for movie or this will be useful for some other thing, but definitely it is going to play a lot in our real life. Okay, Industry 4.0, the digital technologies. So these are all Internet of Things. Of course, smart sensors also required, advanced robotics, big data analytics, 3D printing, augmented reality, cloud computing, location detection. Sir, you have given something here, you have given something here, and you have given something here. Yes. Different area it is going to develop. You cannot give one circle for this Industry 4.0. If you are giving one circle for Industry 4.0, tomorrow some new technologies will come. By the time it may be more than this, beyond this circle, some of the technologies will come. But base will be there, this technology. Using this base technology, some application-based technologies will develop. And you see there, location detection. I think you might have seen through WhatsApp. And there is a app is going to come. And suppose you are married, your wife can detect where is your location. It is possible, but it will follow. And maybe if he is going to open one app, and then wherever you are going, and then it will follow. I think like Vodafone network, one slogan, wherever you go, it will follow, or something. One dog will come, and something some 10 years back, this Vodafone advertisement is very popular. Wherever you go, it will follow. I think that is the caption for that advertisement. See, similar to that location deduction, if you are going to bar, it will deduct, and then it will send immediately to your wife, and your husband is in bar. And definitely that night, what will happen, you know very well. The people who have married, you are all know about this. Okay, fine. You see here, computer engineers save the 4.0 world, and answer is in your hand. Yes. See, this is the reason I have given some of the computer companies in the top. And these are all companies it is going to implement some digital. Sir, University of Cambridge you have given. University of Cambridge, they are going to start one computer engineering. Is this reason you have given University of Cambridge, or National University, or some other university? No. See, nowadays we are depending on online teaching and learning. Similar to that, online assessment will come, online, everything it will become online. So there is no long distance to implement these online technologies in teaching and learning. You can sit at your home, and then you can teach to your student. And the only thing, you be careful about your month salary, and you have to improve your technical knowledge to get perfect salary. And your owner should not tell, you are sitting at home, I will give 50% of the salary. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Yes, universities are, if you are working as a professor, sorry, many people here, students, engineers are there. Maybe my profession is teaching profession, and this is the reason I'm telling. Okay, if you are a teacher, you have to be very careful. Maybe your owner will reduce your salary if you are sitting at your home and teaching to the students, but it is not like that. If you are having a technology, if you know the technology very well, so definitely your salary will improve. And these are also one of the threat in that. And I will discuss this one in the end of this seminar. Okay. Mercedes-Benz, yes, a lot of things they are implementing. Then if you go latest Mercedes-Benz cars, a lot of technologies they are having. Yes, it is all based on computer. And Larsen and Toubro, in construction field, there are smart building and smart malls, and smart technologies are coming. Even in road transport also it's coming. And L&T, it is there in a lot of field, but I'm telling construction field. And in aerospace, a lot of technologies. And yes, the support of these computer companies, compulsory it is required. And similar to that, all petroleum companies it is required. And Reliance Industries, of course, if you want to know some space technologies, you have to apply some the latest computer technologies, not world computer technologies. The industry 4.0 latest computer technologies like artificial intelligence, IoT technologies, and many things you have to implement. Of course, in Toyota, of course, in what is called in healthcare science, of course, in mobile field, and even not only that, even consumer field also it is required. So industry 4.0, yes, it requires a lot of computer engineers with the knowledge of some latest technology. Sir, I have studied computer engineering. Am I eligible to face the 4.0? No. If you are thinking like that, I can say big no. Okay. So the computer engineering, what you are studying in college, it will give only fundamental idea. Then after that, it is in your hand to learn a lot of new technologies. Yes, university is also facing a lot of challenges to implement industry 4.0, because you see, normally one revolution, industry revolution, I showed one PPT, first industrial revolution, second industrial revolution, third industrial revolution, and fourth industrial revolution. So first industrial and second industrial revolution, it took nearly 100 years. Then after that 100 years. But after 1960, within 60 years it came. 40 years we are ahead. So it is very difficult to implement all of the technologies in your curriculum. University professors are lazy, huh? Okay, including me. Okay. Maybe you people will think, but we are fighting with these technologies, and we are trying to learn a lot of technologies, because university, if you are working as a university professor, daily you have to learn, daily you have to update. If you are not updating, you cannot face the young minds. They will ask a lot of questions. Yes, you have to go towards the technology transfer. By that time, definitely lot of challenges are there. Particularly computer engineers are facing a lot of challenges, because this year see, I studied Fortran and Pascal when I studied in 1992 to 95 or 96. Those period we studied Fortran, Pascal and COBOL programming. If I am telling, maybe COBOL is like, what is that? When Shivaji Ganesan movie, it will come. What Saroja Devi will tell, COBOL, like that. So people will think only that COBOL programming, they will not think. Okay. So this is the reason I'm telling, every day the computer engineering is keep changing, and you have to adopt this technology. Particularly these computer professors are having a lot of challenge. And not only that, now it is implemented in other engineering also. So if you are a mechanical engineer, or if you are an electrical engineer, or if you are an electronics engineer, you have to learn a lot of computer technologies to face the young people. You see here in Industry 4.0, I have taken a nice paper, and in that only one word, you see, no matter how intelligent your software solution is, maybe you are a big computer engineer, but no matter how intelligent your software solution is, if it cannot be realized with the desired quality attributes, one cannot expect an economical value of it. See, your software solution may be wonderful solution, but if you are not applying quality attributes in a cyber physical system, then you cannot expect economical value out of it. Maybe you can invest a lot of money, but you will not find any of the solution from that, even if your computer program or your computer solution or your software solution is very nice. So this is what. So this one I took from one proceedings which published in 2018. The same publication, they are telling that how much the software is very important in Industry 4.0. Software system for Industry 4.0 generally adopted in large distributed setting, not only one, large distributed setting. Software ecosystem are an effective and economical way to construct large software system for Industry 4.0. Yes. The changing requirement and context, software systems are expected to be more active and self-adaptive. This generally requires built-in feedback control mechanism in software. See, the software, if you have implemented, it is not enough, then you have to keep one control mechanism inside the software. See, since software system for Industry 4.0 are distributed to reduce the complexity and enhance reliability, algorithms and intelligence in system must be distributed. Intelligent system means what it means? It is a AI, artificial intelligence. Model-based development instead of straightforward programming. Normally in 2000, we used to do straightforward programming, but nowadays it is a model-based development. Model-based development means what? See, for example, the day before yesterday, Mr. Selvaraj forwarded a mail to me. It was not delivered. And before a couple of years back, only the person who have sent, they will get not delivered. But in artificial intelligence, it is realizing. She didn't use that. In my mail ID, there is a double K, but he used only 1K. Because of that reason, it didn't deliver. He might have realized that the email is not delivered. But nowadays, it is possible through artificial intelligence. It is identifying because of my name, Amuthakkannan. So double K is not there. The artificial intelligence is identifying. So it should be to that. And then it is coming to me also. Some people tried to send some mail and it is not delivered. So it is coming and then who has sent, and then something it is coming. So this is what model-based development. It is not a straightforward programming. Straightforward programming means what? See, if I'm sending a mail, then it will pump back if there is the address is not correct. But nowadays it is possible through artificial intelligence. Everything is possible. If you are going to open FB, if you are going to open some social media, if you are going to open YouTube, then whatever you liked it, and that one it is coming. What you saw yesterday night, similar to the videos, it will come in your YouTube. This is artificial intelligence. I think you be careful. Okay, fine. Uniform integration of verification techniques instead of independent tool and technique specific verification approaches. And so many are there. Multi-objective optimization is required. And for this, yes, objective type of optimization. For this, yes, computer engineers are required. Modularization of semantic consents, yes, computer engineers are required. A rich set of composition mechanism, yes, computers are required. So in industry 4.0, lot of computer engineering is there. The demand for computer engineers also more in industry 4.0. I need not to tell, and these are all the evidence I have collected from net source. And you see here industry 4.0 by 2020 European industries, by 2020 means maybe 2021 because of pandemic they will postpone bit, 140 billion euros they are going to implement for industrial internet application. See, the number one is industrial internet transforms the entire company and must be part of the CEO's agenda. You see, if you are a CEO, or for example, Dr. Ravi Maran is the principal of MAM College of Engineering, and then he should have the agenda how we are going to face this industry 4.0 and how we have to implement this industry 4.0, how we can introduce these technologies to our students, in what way we can train our staff member to face the industry 4.0. These are all, it should be in his diary. Otherwise, it is very difficult to face the young people and also to face the technology transfer. And you see here policymaker and many, actually I don't want to read once again. The industrial internet paves the way for new, often disruptive digital business model. Everything, it will become digital business model. And maybe you may think, doctor, will we implement only in the technology area? No, everything it is going to change. Even if you want to communicate with your CEO, that way of communication also it's going to change. The CEO will not allow you to enter inside the room, or else maybe his door will not be open. Maybe automatic door will come and then he will give one code. If you are going to push the code, then only you can enter inside the CEO room. You cannot enter inside the CEO room unless otherwise if you don't know about the code, maybe he will send. And then if you are requesting through your phone, and then he will send a code, and then there will be an automatic door in front of that, and then you have to press. Yes. So many developments are there. Actually, you know one thing, one person cannot understand all of the technologies, what's going on in this world, but at least you should have the knowledge or introduction about the technology. If you are not knowing about the technology, then you will wonder, and not only that, you cannot use and you cannot adopt, and then maybe by the time it's like you are giving a smartphone to the 80+ person. Okay, maybe it's very difficult for them to operate the new technologies inside the mobile phone. Of course, even I cannot operate like my son is operating, and this is what the generation gap. But we have to learn the technologies each and every day to understand the modern technologies. Okay, fine. You see here, most important reason for cooperation in the context of industry 4.0. See, better satisfaction of customer requirement. Yes, definitely there will be a better satisfaction. Faster time to market. Yes. More efficient division of labor. Yes. Greater flexibility. Yes. Higher innovation rate. Yes, it is required. And risk minimization. And this is the main driver for closer cooperation, is the ability to better satisfy the customer requirement. I think you know what is the customer requirement. If you have studied quality control, the satisfaction of the customer requirement is the quality. Okay, quality means you have to satisfy the customer. What kind of product you are keeping, no matter about that, but how far you are going to satisfy your customer, that is the matter. So that product, I can say high quality product. So the customer satisfaction is always important, and then you have to satisfy the customer through modern technologies. You see here in manufacturing. Yes, of course, I'm having some mechanical background, so I have to introduce some manufacturing area. What is industry 4.0 manufacturing? You see automation, data technologies. See, when we are going to do automation and artificial intelligence based technologies, yes, computer engineer is required, but computer engineer, they have to understand the manufacturing technology. Then only they have to implement this. And Data technologies also, data science, it is coming here, and integration of software equipments and people. So these are all who will do. One computer engineer will do, but computer engineer, he has to learn some technologies in manufacturing. Then if he is implementing, definitely, and that kind of system, it will satisfy the customer requirement, then I can say it is a quality product. So similar to that, you see that smart industry, if you are going for smart industries, yes, big data, it will come into the picture. See, from morning to evening, how many data you are going to access, how many, see, for example, BHL, if you are going, how many processes are going on, all those things, if you want to maintain the data, then how much big data it will come. So that kind of data science is very, very important. It is going to dominate this world. So data science, if it is going to dominate the world, definitely a computer engineer will dominate this world. Okay, see here, so some of the technology similar to that, it's given. See, it is given here, you see, manufacturing 1, manufacturing 2, manufacturing 3, manufacturing 4, and these are all you can keep in one control room. All those brain, it will be there in the control room. Then you can connect, and not only that, between the systems also you can connect. This is not only for the manufacturing, for all of the systems, you can say it's like your multi-level marketing. I think you might have heard the multi-level marketing, and maybe somebody might have cheated. Maybe you might have seen the what is that? Saduranga Vete movie. Yes. Okay. No, don't think about that. Yes, it is a multi-level marketing. Multi-level marketing. You know, so similar to that here, it is a multi-level, and not only that, maybe it's like a neural network, you can say. So many neurons will be there, and towards one objective. Okay. See, number of people employed in industries, see, manufacturing industries, it is coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. It is coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, little bit up. It's like IPL 2020, Dhoni's run, right? Or CSK win. It started with winning, and then it ended with, then after that, in the end, 3 matches they won. I think it's like this curve is like that. Sir, what is this? It's going up. Yes, it is bit going up, but you know, the modern manufacturing world is moving towards greater automation. Greater automation. If you are thinking only, sir, I am mechanical engineering, yes, total employment in the concept of mechanical engineering, it will come down. So yes, you have to adopt the industrial revolution. You have to learn a lot of things. You see, the 4th industrial revolution will change the world, but only 14% of experts are ready for it. Only 40% nowadays, now it is ready. They are getting ready, but still now it is not implemented. Only 14% they are getting ready, but still many sectors we have to implement. See what we are believing, which of the following will have the most influence on how Industry 4.0 shapes society. See, public business organization, yes, 74% it is possible to implement. Executives believes business will have the most influence in the future. Private business, yes, there is some statistics, but everything it is showing Industry 4.0 will dominate in all of the sector. Okay. 6 benefits, and a lot of benefits are there. Of course, the efficiency, agility, innovation, customer experience, cost, revenue, and in many areas, this Industry 4.0 will have benefit. And key benefits of implementing Industry 4.0 in manufacturing. This is manufacturing industry. Yes, sir, why you are talking about this manufacturing industry? You see here, even if I have given a manufacturing industry, but all of these things are computer engineers' opportunity. See, usage of IoT in manufacturing. Who will get the opportunity? Computer engineer will get the opportunity. Information powered ecosystem of value. Who will give information powered data science, data technology, big data, all those things? Whose technology is this? Yes, computer engineers are having opportunities. Maximized productivity. If you want to do maximized productivity, you have to go for the automation. If you go for the automation, yes, computer engineer role is very, very important. Better quality products, real-time monitoring, IoT enabled quality improvement, and cobots, and many things it is there. And in these areas also, computer engineers will dominate, and improved working condition and sustainability, enhanced agility, real-time data, and personalization and customization. These are all, it will look like some manufacturing industry term, but in these areas, computer engineers are going to get some opportunities, and mechanical engineer and computer engineer should sit together. Then only you can implement the new technologies in your industries. If you are doing so, opportunities for computer engineer is more in the coming decades. You see the opportunities for computer engineers, for the efficiency improvement, and for the job opportunities. Yes, in industry 4.0, a lot of job opportunities it will create, and customers understanding and monitoring also, it will be through some computer based, and history of data and tracking, it is computer based, and new industries and entrepreneur. So computer engineer can start some, can learn some new technologies, and they can start in this modern technologies. Definitely they will earn, I think you know very well. And some orange cap or something, some interview I have seen through YouTube. I think his name is Suresh or something. And he's next Bill Gates in Tamil Nadu, they are telling. And then how in one generation or within 20 years, he has become a millionaire. I think you know very well, it is because of computer. It is very difficult. Suppose if you are going to start one company to get $700 million wealth, and then it is only possible in computer world. Is it possible in mechanical world? Yes, maybe mechanical engineer can argue or can debate with me. Yes, sir, it is possible. Why not? If he is going to start like a BHL-like company, yes, it is possible to generate 700 million. But is it possible to one person who was born in the below middle class family? Yes, only possibilities through computer engineering. If you are going to start a new industries, or if you are becoming an entrepreneur in computer field, yes, it is possible to generate $700 million in within 10 years or 15 years. But in manufacturing side, it will take 2 generations. If you take TVS company, yes, they are making a very good profit, but how much generation it took to make this much amount of profit or this much wealth? So you have to think more innovation opportunities are there for computer engineers, young billionaires. That's what. Young billionaires only possible in computer field. All information in mobile. If you want to create all information in mobile, yes, computer engineer will dominate. And of course, work from home. Nowadays, this is very popular. And before 6 months, if you am telling work from home, and people will laugh. But now if you are telling work from home, and then people are giving some respect on you. Work from home, sir. Oh, very good. Wonderful. So work from home means before that, Vetti Paya, he is work from home, he is telling. Or Balavati Illada Paya, work from home. So these are all happened 6 months back, but nowadays it's completely different. Not Vetti Paya, not Valaila Paya, not Dandachore. Work from home means he is earning 1 lakh or 2 lakh. Yes, even my brother's daughter is work from home only. She is working in Citibank and earning 1.5 lakhs per month. And then where? She is working from home only. But from morning to evening, she is sitting like office and she is working. Yes, it is possible. So everything, it is possible now. Work from home. How is it possible? Through computer engineering. Yes, if you want to develop this work from home, what is called trend. So the work from home trend will be enhanced through computer engineering only. Industry 4.0 will lead to large scale automation and loss of many jobs. Loss of many jobs. True or false? You see here. Debate is there, but I can say, curiously, the same survey means it is a World Economic Forum survey. Estimated period, 133 million new jobs will be generated. Yes, it is there something. 75 million jobs will be gone due to technologies. 133 million jobs will be developed. And 133 minus 75, of course, nearly some 61 million jobs will be generated. 75 million jobs will go, but 133 million jobs will be developed. Sir, in this pandemic world, so many people lost job, even Trump lost his job, and you are telling so many things. Yes, but pandemic world, how many period it will be lasting. Maybe it will erase after 6 months or after 3 months. This is computer world. Everything is possible. Once this pandemic situation is erased from our society, 4.0 is going to dominate. By the time, lot of job opportunities will be created, but you have to survive in the market. And then you should not think, you should not leave your confidence, you should not leave your scope, you should not leave your ambition, you should not leave your aim. So if you are leaving your aim, and then this pandemic world, everything is going to what is called, everything will be erased, and then I will not get any job opportunities. And then what's happening in this world, and then many people are losing job. So if you are keeping in your mind, and then you will not win if you are not having confidence on you. So you should have the self-confidence. Definitely you have to think iduvum kadandu pogum. Okay, so definitely there will be a chance in industry 4.0. You will get a lot of opportunities. Of course, there are challenges in implementing industry 4.0. See, the first one I have given, teaching and learning. See, many professors are here, and you are getting challenges to learn this industry 4.0 technologies, and also to teach to the students in industry 4.0. Okay, training to the existing employees in industries, cost of implementation, removal of old technology. Somebody will tell, no, doctor, I will teach only fluid mechanics. I will teach RFIs, old RFIs meter, old venturi meter, old technologies, and old relay, old power systems, old thyristor, and all those things only I will use. I will not adopt the new technologies. The old technology is the gold technology. You keep gold in your, what is called, in your bank, what is that? Locker, bank locker. You keep your gold technologies in your locker. Then after that, come out from the bank. Then try to learn new technology. Okay, old is gold. That kind of word and all, it will not help in future. The new technologies are going to dominate. You have to throw your old technologies. Yes, of course, when you are going to remove old technologies, it is very difficult. See, some companies already, for example, BHL, so many equipments they are keeping. And then if I'm going to say, you have to erase this machine by new technologies, even that manager will not accept. And not only that, the employee will not accept, even labor also will not accept. No, I will not learn the new technologies. Maybe that labor is a permanent labor. Then learning the industry 4.0 technologies is very difficult, but no other way. You have to force and you have to educate. See, when you are going to implement, if you worked in a company, you might have you might be experienced this. You know, I worked as a quality engineer in one company. My duty is I have to tell the importance of ISO by the time. Okay, I have to teach to laborers. You know, when I'm going to teach what is meant by ISO 9001 or ISO 9, those period. Okay, ISO 9001, ISO 9002. So these are all when I'm going to explain in Tamil. Actually, they will laugh. And then they will not try to learn. But after that, you have to speak with them, and then you have to offer some tea or bun or something inside the industry in your own money, using your own money. Then after that, slowly they will come towards your side. Then only you have to educate them. So similar to that. So removal of old technologies is not easy, and even in universities also. See, in universities, if I'm teaching fluid mechanics, I will not learn immediately what kind of cyber physical system we can use in fluid mechanics. If I am teaching strength of materials, again and again, I will teach the same thing. I will go bending moment diagram and this another diagram I will draw. Then I will finish. My job is over. Then I am going to get salary this month. Then why should I learn? But if you are there, then you will be out of the track, and then you cannot learn anything. And not only that, you cannot face the young people, and then they will laugh. And yes, you will be like what is called Mr. Beans in front of the Mr. Bean in front of your student. Okay, you have to learn the new technologies. Removal of old technologies is very, very important. Of course, finding experts nowadays, it's difficult. Yes, in future, it is easy to find some technology experts in industry 4.0. Yes, skilled employee retention is also challenges in industry 4.0. If you are learning some artificial intelligence technique, if you are learning very good, suppose if you are good in Python programming now, and there are a lot of opportunities. If I'm going to start one company and you are the employee, but you know very well about this Python programming, but you know, after two months, you may get chance in some other company, and then maybe you will leave this company. By the time the running the company itself, it's very difficult. So employee retention also very important, understanding of technologies and logistics, and in so many ways, yes, the challenges are there. So to overcome the challenges, yes, entrepreneurs and also the industrialists, they have to think, and then they have to overcome, and after that they have to implement the new technologies. Yes, it's a big challenge. And of course, what is the big challenge? Yes, challenges I have given. Challenges in implementing Industry 4.0. Big challenge is cyber security. You see, you can implement a digital supply chain. You can implement anything, big data, data science, 3D printing, robotics, sensor technology, digital, augmented reality, many things you can do. But if there is no security, what will happen? It will collapse everything. I was keeping, even when I took one seminar to Dr. Ravi Maran, by the time I was keeping one computer, I mean laptop. So that laptop completely collapsed. I was not able to take that PPT because that PPT, it is there. And yes, we can do some technologies to extract the data. Maybe if you are a computer engineer, maybe you will ask, doctor, it is possible, why not? Yes, you have to do a lot of technologies, and then it is a headache. So cyber security is very, very important. And if you are not implementing this cyber security properly in your cyber physical system, or in your data science, or in your cloud computing, or in your IoT technologies, if security is not there, anybody can operate. And this is the reason cyber security professionals requirement, it is going to increase lot in the Industry 4.0. If you are a computer engineer, even if you are going to learn cyber security, there are a lot of opportunities for computer engineers in the area of cyber security field. Okay, 8 job skills to succeed in a post-coronavirus world, post-pandemic world. See, I'm consolidating here: adaptability, flexibility, creativity, innovation, critical thinking, emotional intelligence. Sir, why emotional intelligence you are bringing here? Is it required to consult some psychology people? Emotional intelligence means, you know what? Yes, if there is a new technology, you will be frustrated. Maybe if you are, see, for example, if I'm getting some fault when I'm going to operate this Zoom, then you will get headache. By the time, maybe you will get angry, or maybe your physical system, it will be affected. Your physical system, not cyber physical system. Yes, your physical system will be affected. And that time you should have the intelligence. Yes, emotional intelligence should be there. So you have to be very patient. You have to learn the technologies. Okay, tech savviness, leadership, data literacy, of course, digital and coding skill. And not only that, commit to a lifetime learning. Commit to a lifetime of learning. You have to learn the new technologies. Then only you can cope up the coming world. If you are an engineer or if you are non-engineer, need not to worry about that. But you have to learn the new technologies which is going to dominate this world. Okay. So thank you for watching my lecture. And then the floor is open for the discussion. And I am giving the floor to the organizer of IEI Trichy chapter. Thank you very much for the opportunity given to me, sir.
Thank you, sir. It was an excellent delivery. We enjoyed your program. The floor is open for questions. Please, participants can raise their questions.
I think all are in Diwali mode. Maybe all are in Diwali mode, and then they want to go for purchase, I believe. Ala Vodra Sami.
Hello, good evening, sir. Hello.
Good evening, my dear.
Sir, first of all, thanks for Silva sir, for giving this opportunity for sending invitation. Thank you for the very excellent presentation. I was first thinking it is industry 4.0 for computers. Sir teach some programs like that, but it's very different way of presentation. A lot of pictures and some real-time examples.
Thank you.
And it is very nice presentation, sir. Very excellent presentation, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, one question, sir. I'm doing PhD in Anna University in welding.
Wonderful.
So what are the scope for our welding engineers for industries 4.0? What are the qualities for we going to improve, sir?
Yes, wonderful. See, he is asking pure manufacturing technology. Yes.
Okay.
When you are going for welding type of technology, so there are a lot of cyber physical system. You can operate through computers, you can operate through what is called through mobile phones, and so many technologies are going to dominate in manufacturing industries. Yes, you are doing in welding technology. Welding technology is one of the core technology in manufacturing side. But in that particular area, what are the possibilities are there? There are technology other side. So why I'm telling there are technology, yes, there are technology other side. What are the technologies? IoT technologies are there. For example, suppose you want to find the distribution of temperature in a welding metals you want to find. So before that, actually you are going to keep some sensors and you are going to find. But nowadays there are some smart sensors, then you can find it out, then how much the temperature distribution, and that kind of research work you can do. So using what is called optical sensor, you can find the temperature, and using that, and you need not to sit nearer to the welding area. You can sit in control room, you can find it out, and then you can do some research work in this area. But I can say one thing you have to understand, there is two plates. One side I am keeping some noodles. Another side I am keeping some what is called sauce and other things. Okay, so ketchup and sauce and other things. So assume if you are going to take only sauce and other things, is it possible to fulfill your hungry? No. So you have to mix this. You have to mix this noodles and this sauce. Then only it will give some flavor, and then only you can eat. So I can say this: you are having the core technology like noodles. Okay, noodles you are keeping. But another side, left side, I am keeping the sauces, ketchup, and for example, so many items I am keeping. If you are going to mix, then only it will give flavor, and then you can eat. Okay, the same thing industry 4.0. See, you are keeping the welding technology. Another side, you know the industry 4.0. What are the technologies it's going to dominate? For example, artificial intelligence, IoT technologies, and data science, all those things. So these technologies you have to implement in welding technologies. Someone will implement and they will send the technology, then I will learn, means you, this is not possible for the research people. Okay, see, you are keeping in one side, you are keeping industry 4.0 technology. Another side, traditional technology, welding technology you are keeping. If you are going to mix together, and definitely you will find some new technologies. You can open a path in this welding technologies to the outside world.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Shankar. Thank you very much. Any other question?
Sir,
Yes,
I have a question, sir. Selvaraj, I am asking. You are told about opportunities of computer. Yes, nice, very nice. It means equal opportunities for other faculty engineers also. Is it not? They update their knowledge in computer area. Is it not?
Correct, Selvaraj. What I try to tell. Yes. Assume there are 4 members in your family. You have 4 brothers. All are earning the same thing? No, you are earning something, your brother is earning something, and then your elder brother is earning something and something. Okay. You, as a mechanical engineer or electrical engineer, you dominated the world for the past 50 years. In 1960s, if you are studying mechanical engineering, yes, immediately you will get job, and then you will get opportunity. Before that, in 1960s or 1950s, infrastructure time period, if you study civil engineering, immediately you will get job. Those period, many dams and other things our government built. If you apply in PWD, you will get job. Then after that, in 1980s, if you have studied the electrical engineering, And then if you apply for government job or if you are applying for private job, immediately you will get job. We are talking about the opportunities in Industry 4.0. Since this industry revolution is digital based industrial revolution, the digital technologies and software, it is the time period to mix together. So this is the time period to mix together, means you cannot escape from this. Yes, there are opportunities for mechanical engineer if they are going to adopt the technology. This is what Mr. Shankar asked a question in what is called, what are the opportunities in welding technology? Yes, welding technology is a manufacturing technology, but this side Industry 4.0 technologies are there. If you are going to mix together, then only you can survive in this world. If you are going to mix together, yes, one side the computer engineer expertise, or he has to convert himself as computer engineer. He may be a mechanical engineer, but I'm not saying only the people who are having the computer engineering degree is computer engineer. You cannot say. See,
Okay.
What computer engineer is studying now, the next year, all of the technologies, what they are studying in their curriculum, it will be erased. So the mechanical engineer and computer engineers are in the same boat, and they have to learn the technology. But only thing, computer engineers are having some advantages in data science field, some advantages in opportunity field, and maybe many computer companies are going to dominate in the coming years. So by that time, they will get opportunities. This is what we are talking. The opportunities are there for all of the people. Even we can argue that the people who have not studied, they are also having opportunity. See, this is the world is full of opportunities. But in Industry 4.0, who will get the more opportunities? Yes, computer engineer will get more opportunities. This is what my conclusion. And this is open for the discussion. Yes, we can do some debate. Definitely. Yes.
So what I noticed is some of my friends, they are all they studied mechanical engineering, very disciplines other than computer engineering, and they are sitting in a very good post of big post of TCS, then Satyam Software, other this whatever there is other software companies. Yes. They are in a leading position. That's what.
Yes.
It's not only computer engineers. Right. Other engineers also.
You rightly said, and this is the reason I showed the Sundar Pichai example. Sundar Pichai is having a metallurgy background, but he is ruling this computer world. Right or wrong? Ruling the computer world. So he is the highest paid person in the computer field. But his background is metallurgy. But what he did, pure computer programming he learned. He converted himself as a computer engineer. Correct or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He himself, see, now Google Chrome, what you are using, it is developed by his team. So he is the captain of the ship. So Google Chrome, to develop Google Chrome, what kind of technology you want? Do you want any textile technology in that field? No. Do you want any metallurgy technology in that field? No. Do you want any mechanical type of technology in that field? No. You need computer technology. If you are studying computer engineering, you have some fundamental. Yes, if you are having the patience to learn some new technologies, yes, you will get a lot of opportunities. I'm not saying there is no opportunities for other engineers. So bit advantage is there. Okay. See, for example, we are thinking that, see, if you are going to take one cricketer in CSK, you are thinking that this person will sign. But maybe he has good background, for example, computer background, but he will not sign in the computer field. The person like Ruturaj Gaikwad will sign in the CSK match. Why? Because the new technology, new blood, and the new person will dominate. So similar to that, I cannot say the old technology. See, the people who are going to adopt the situation, those people will get opportunity. But this technology is digital technology, and these people are the Industry 4.0. It is meant for many computer-based technologies. So computer engineers are having opportunities. And not only that, we are speaking in Computer Society of India, and we have to focus this one. I can say, yes, in Mechanical Engineering Forum, if we are going to speak, yes, mechanical engineers are having opportunity. But original truth, we have to accept, Mr. Selvaraj. There is an opportunity for computer engineers, and the world, they full in all over the world. If you are an Indian, particularly I'm telling to the audience, almost all are Indians here, and particularly if you are going to cross Indian border, and then if I'm going to stand in airport of UK, and then if any of English people or any other nationalities are coming, and then they will ask, are you computer engineer? So this kind of platform we have established already. If you are a computer engineer, yes, there are a lot of opportunities.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Excellent answer. Thank you.
Yes. Okay.
If any other participants have any query, please you can.
Yes, Selvaraj sir, good evening.
Welcome. Please, sir. Please, sir.
Sir, Selvaraj sir, thank you for giving the invitation to attend.
Yes, sir, you're always welcome. Every week we are conducting. You please join.
And, Dr. Amuthakkannan sir,
Yes,
this
sir.
is Manu Shankar.
Yes, Mr. Manu.
He is our executive, senior executive in BHL, sir. Yes.
Yes, and there is one more introduction. In case the name doesn't ring any bells, I would like to tell that I have seen you 25 years back, and it's nice to connect with you. You are a very industrious, 2 years industrious and intelligent senior to me during graduation.
No. I did my project in BHL only. Actually, I spent nearly 6 months in BHL.
Welcome. Very nice. Very nice. Which department,
quality,
sir?
I think my guide is Mr. Arpanariswaran. I think Mr.
Yes,
Krishnan
sir.
was there. By the time General Manager Mr. Krishnan was there in that department, I think in quality control
That is
department.
our AV Krishnan sir,
AV
but
yes.
But I happen to be your junior.
Okay, wonderful. Okay.
So it's nice to connect with you.
So
Sir, I am in nuclear field, and I'm in nuclear field, and I find so far everything is manual. There isn't much computerization, but slowly things are getting automated to a large extent. Sir, the first project of IoT which I came to know through net searching is that a company in Westfalen, Germany had made entire shampoo out of total automation. So is there any resource link or any useful links in which such case studies are there? In case you happen to be aware, because you're in the academic field, you can have more exposure to probably Elsevier or things which otherwise we get only
Mr.
limited
Manu,
access.
in all of the technologies we can, in all of the existing technologies, we can implement this IoT technologies. It's not only for sample manufacturing and not only in agricultural field, not only in fishery science. Recently, we implemented, yes, I did one project in fishery science, and even small fishery industries we have implemented. And then you can do everything through your mobile phone. For example, feeding to fishes, feeding food to fishes, and switching on off your motor, and you can monitor the pH value, you can monitor the flow of water, and you can monitor the level of water. So many parameters you can monitor using some smart sensors. And not only in fishery science field, even in agriculture also. Even my friend, this is practically possible, not in research based. So many people have implemented already. See, for example, even in Coimbatore, my friend, he is doing smart agriculture. He is sitting inside the college. Even he is my colleague of Coimbatore Institute of Technology. He is keeping one agri land. He has implemented IoT technologies. He is monitoring through some smart, cameras. And not only that, and even he is doing switch on and off of his pumping system through mobile phone. He is sitting inside the college and he is doing agriculture. So this is one. So even in Coimbatore itself, he is doing. So practically, the IoT technologies have implemented lot and lot. See, not only in agricultural field or fishery science field or manufacturing field, in all of the field, you can, wherever you want to monitor the parameter, you can place some smart sensors, and after that, you can monitor through your mobile phone. Even you see in my mobile phone, I'm keeping some what is called some cameras, and 3-4 cameras. See their YI boat, it is there. One app is there. If I'm going to open that app, then I can monitor what is going on some 30-35 kilometers away from me. So all those things, it is possible. See, that's what I can say. There is a technology in your pocket, like your money. How you are going to spend this money in a perfect way, it is in your hand. See, IoT technology is in your pocket. I'm telling only IoT technology, since you asked about IoT technology. IoT technology is in your pocket. Wherever you want, you can utilize. It is possible in all of the field. Even smart home. Actually, if you Google it, the smart home. So all IoT technologies Nowadays, smart home is one of the beautiful business. I think some people have started already in Chennai. And for opening, if you search smart automation or automated home or smart home in Google or in YouTube, you will come to know. See, switching on and off of your TV, switching on and off of your AC, switching on and off of your microwave oven, switching on and off of your stove, switching, I think, opening this doors. And even if you are going inside, then through mobile, you can switch on your TV before you are entering inside. So many technologies, it is all coming under IoT technologies, Internet of Things. There are many technologies. How you are going to implement in your field, it is the matter. See, for example, if you are working in a welding field or in manufacturing or boiler section, but it is possible, but only thing, your manager, and this is what CEO role is very big. Then there was one slide, CEO agenda. It should be there in the CEO agenda. The implementation of Industry 4.0 should be there in the CEO's agenda. If it is not there, it is very difficult to implement. But in all of the field, it is possible to implement. Even why not? If you are going to learn tomorrow the IoT technologies, then after 3-4 months, you can implement one IoT technologies in your field in BHEL.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Manu.
Thank you, sir. Participants, if you have any other queries, you can ask, otherwise we'll go for the next agenda. Yes?
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. We are excellent and wonderful talk. It's more than 1.5 hour non-stop speech.
Thank you, Mr. Kumaresan. Thank you very much.
Sir, Silvera, sir, we can move to the next agenda.
Sir, you please announce the next week's program, sir. Please.
Yeah. So next week, Institution of Engineers arranged a lecture on emerging trends in automation technology. Speaker is just a minute. Engineer Santosh, Senior Manager from IDAC India Private Limited. So the information will be circulated to our fellow members through mail and as well as will be available in dailies. Thank you. Sir, over to
Mr. Kumaresan, let me check the chat, and then if there is any questions related,
please check. I checked it. You also check.
If there is any question related to my talk, then I am ready to answer for that.
Yeah.
The full presentation, these are all. I think okay, fine. If there is any question, you can give message also. Then I am ready.
Yeah, sure, sir. So we will forward, sir. I just checked it. You also okay.
Excellent presentation. Please provide the program link. Okay, that's okay. Okay,
many appreciations.
Okay, only appreciation.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. And I can say, even though I am a background is mechanical and mechatronics engineer, and then I would like to tell from my heart, and there are a lot of scope for the computer engineers, and try to learn computer engineer, even if you are having a background of a mechanical or any other field, and try to learn the new technologies. What Mr. Manu asked, yes, it is a perfect question. IoT technologies, yes, we have to learn IoT technologies. We have to learn some artificial intelligence. Even in this age, I went for some artificial intelligence course, and I'm learning some Python programming, even no way connected. But the learning, you know very well, learning is ocean. So the knowledge is power. And then if you are learning lot, definitely you can win in your, and not only that, even you have crossed 50 or 60, it definitely you can give some idea to your grandchildren. You can give some idea to your students, or you can give some idea to your neighbors if you are learning some modern technologies. Definitely the learning will not go waste, and try to learn, and then try to learn the new technologies, and happy Diwali.
Thank you, sir. Now more next agenda, sir. One more agenda is there. There is a proposal of vote of thanks. What I'm going to propose a vote of thanks. Happy good evening to everyone. Really, it is a wonderful lecture delivered by Dr. Rajakannu Amuthakkannan, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering, National University, Muscat, Sultanate of Oman. Really, it was an excellent webinar, sir, and opportunities for the computer engineering, the fourth industrial revolution. We enjoyed our program. I first of all thank Professor Ilango, Head of Computer Science, MEM College of Engineering. for arranging today's webinar through Mr. Ravi Maran. I thank Dr. M. Kumaresan, Chairman, the Institute of Engineers, India, Trichinopoli Local Center, for giving the presidential address today and also telling the next week, announcing the next week's program. I thank Dr. S. Ravi Maran, past Chairman, Computer Institute of India, Trichinopoli chapter, for introducing the speaker to the audience. It was really a wonderful, you covered a manner. You started with the Jodiman cartoon, comics, whatever we talked, we've seen, really has become reality through the, artificial intelligence and Industry 4 and all. Really, it was an interesting thing, started. The Bubbles of Dawn, the James Bond movies, all those things and all become realities now, really. It's a virtual reality used to locate the lost daughter, translation of language to language, and then smart pencils, Industry 4, the digital technology transformation from Industry 1 to Industry 4, cyber physical system, how much this is important, digital technology requirements, COVID-19 impact, and what is about going to the blockchain technology, which is going to big changes in stock market, the online purchase, whatever is happening now is going to increase multifold. Then after COVID, it has become a major thing for many of the items we are purchasing in online only now. I4 introduced in 2004, you told a digital factory, it has converted to 2020 as a smart factory. Really, it's exponent, very good growth in that. And the about Sivakarthi and film, you have told what is the technologies of emerging technologies, smart gadgets, watching TV, hospital, no for nurse, and during sleeping, watching our health parameters through our various gadgets, and smart cars, smart rooms, cleaning of rooms, and all is all going to happen in the agriculture network. India is a major GDP in agriculture. We have to implement a lot in IoT. This, then only we can develop the production of multi-times we have to product to meet the future needs. That's what. Industry 4 framework, the digital technologies and computer engineers opportunities. Really, we told many companies, right from software companies, education industries, right from Microsoft, Apple, Google, YouTube, IBM, TCC, etc., Mercedes-Benz, that is the manufacturing and core industries, Larsen & Toubro, Toyota, NASA, and Boeing, University of Cambridge, Sony, Reliance, Samsung, Coca-Cola, GSK, like that. The everyday computer technology is changing. Then unless we update, we cannot survive. That's what your one of the core talk with them. AI can rectify all the human factors. That's what I told. I messed a spelling, it can correct in future. And 20 development, what are the emerging developments? Not only that, the reasons for cooperation in the context of industry for better satisfaction of customers. That is, the customers are the king. You have to satisfy that this technology will help to improve the satisfaction of customers. Number of people employed in the manufacturing industry is getting reduced. Then there's a need to learn about computer technology, emerging technologies for all engineers, irrespective of discipline. Then there are the benefits, various benefits. Then young brilliance are possible only in computer field, you are told. Challenge in implement industry as well. The cyber security is an important area where we have to acquire knowledge. The 8 job skills, what is required to post-COVID world. I thank all the members of the following professional institutions, that is Institute of Engineers, Trichinopoli Local Center, Computer Institute of India, Trichinopoli Chapter, Indian Institute of Building, Trichinopoli Branch, Indian Institute of Metals, Trichinopoli Chapter, Indian Building Society Southern Zone. I thank all the office bearers and committee members of all the professional from Taramulur has participated. One Sendil from our joint secretary, our 100 secretary for Kanjiman CSI chapter is joined, his colleagues and all. I thank our past chairman of IIM, Engineer Swamidas, Engineer Sankaran, and Karubusam to join with us. I thank all the invitees from the industry, engineering colleges, universities, the students and faculties who joined in today's program. I thank Dr. Manavalan, who is taking interest to join, our consultant, to join all our program. I thank Engineer Rajamani, our immediate past Vice President and Chairman Electrical Division Board, IEI Kolkata, for his presence today. I thank our past Chairman, Dr. Ravi Maran, for arranging today's excellent webinar through the Professor Ilango, HOD Computer Science, Mumbai College of Engineering. I thank Dr. Sendil Kumar, Associate Professor from SRM, Mumbai College of Engineering, Chennai, and Honorary Secretary of CSI, Kanjipuram, for joining with his team. I thank Engineer Sankar, Research Scholar, and his team from Annamalai University for joining today's webinar. They are all her colleagues. I am doing research at Annamalai University. They are all colleagues. They have joined today. Finally, I thank Dr. Rajakannu Amuthakkannan for delivering the innumerous opportunities for computer engineers in the context of Industry 4. Not only for other engineers, they update, they can also get a lot of opportunities, challenges to face, including cyber security. Thank you, sir, for sharing our rich experience in the knowledge and the emerging technology in computers in the IT area. Your webinar was inspiring, motivating, and vibrant, and guiding many youngsters to choose their professor. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your outstanding webinar, really. I thank Engineer Madhusankar, DGM, and his team from BHL for joining today's webinar. I thank Engineer Ramdas, Chairman, IEI State Center, Tamil Nadu State Center, Engineer Kannan, Honor Secretary, for supporting us in all our activities. Thank you, one and all, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Mr. Selvaraj, for your nice word, and also thank you very much, Dr. Ravi Maran, for organizing this.